What's up, guys? So I'm back with another Tesla video. This is an accessory video for the Tesla Model 3. I actually had this for a while and I really didn't even know what it was. I saw another video of the exact item. I'm not sure if it's from the same seller or not, but I'm going to show you the Amazon link right now on another phone. I'm doing this handheld. It's the BASENOR Tesla Model 3 center console box. Basically a hidden armrest storage area where it'll go in like that and you can put different things inside. The cost on this thing is $18.95. It's almost 20 bucks. Now, I was given this as a gift. Like I said, I really had no idea what it was. All right, so let's see what it looks like. You can see the price and everything. I'll drop links down below. I'm not even sure if this really came from Amazon. There's really nothing on the box. As I said, this was more or less like a hand-me-down, like a gift. Sorry for doing this handheld, but yeah, this wasn't sponsored in any way. I figured, let me just get a Tesla video up there. So you get rid of the box, and you're left with something that looks like this. And at my first glance, I was like, what could this possibly be? I thought it went inside the console, but apparently we're gonna spin a camera around, and we're gonna. I haven't really wrapped this part yet. This is real carbon for the moment. I'm gonna get to wrapping it maybe. I don't know. I can't tell if I want to take it off or not. Anyway, for now, you have this little, kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can. I'm just gonna see if I can get some extra light, but let's see. All right, there we go. That little spot there, which is useless right now, you're gonna put this box, see if I can line up this light. Yeah, makes it better. Cool. All right, so it does have double-sided tape and whatnot, but it should pressure fit by the way it looks. So you lay it in like that, like so. I'm gonna push it in, push it in, push it in, boom, 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 and then pop it down, and you can put whatever you want. I'm gonna see. Here we go. We got my guys follow me on Twitter and whatnot. You'll see I always carry minimal type of wallet. So if you wanted to put your wallet in, boom, it's pretty well hidden. No one would know it's there. Alrighty, guys, so if you want to see more Tesla videos, if you got suggestions for me to show on the channel, please do leave a comment down below. It does help. I do the best with these videos that I can. I'm trying to find something that I can do in car with. I have this mount up here, if you can really see it, but that mount up there is the POV driving. I do a few of those videos. But as for the car, nothing new besides I did wrap this, and that's really about it, guys. All right, so please do leave a thumbs up, share it around. Again, all links for this will be in the description. I already showed you on the video as well, the QR and all that. Alrighty, guys, see you in the next one. Laters, peace.